Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Bluetooth pairing problem on iPhone. So let's start the video. Solution 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Go to the settings menu. Then go to Bluetooth menu. Turn the Bluetooth toggle off. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back on. After that, tap on icon next to your Bluetooth device name. And forget this device. Tap forget this device to confirm your action. Solution 2. Reset your iPhone's network settings. The reset network settings will reset all of your network settings to factory defaults. To do this, go to settings menu. Then go to general menu. Swipe all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. On the next page, tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap on reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution 3. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon. It will turn orange when it's on. Wait for few seconds. Tap it again to turn it off.